teachers, inspiring teachers, yes, Purva teacher, model teacher, real teacher.
How are you?
Fine. So, why you choose a part of the teaching field?
The teacher.
Why do you choose the part of teaching?
Actually, I was a student of Kotak Selection School. So when I was studying 8th standard, then my biology teacher used to teach us well the biology and draw the diagrams on the board with the color chalks and all. And when she was teaching the biology, then I used to look at her and I used to imagine that I am standing in her place and I am teaching the lesson to the children. And then 8th standard onwards, I just decided I must become a teacher, not a biology teacher only. And not only becoming biology teacher, I have to work in the same school where I studied. That is my aim, to serve my school, the Kotak school. Like that, I was taking a decision of this teaching profession. Then afterwards, I completed my 10th standard intermediate, and after intermediate, I wrote my NCEP also. In AP, I did not get medicine seat, but I got a seat in Karnataka. Then my father said, you go to Karnataka, no problem, don't worry about financial this one. I will go and sell the house and I'll teach you, I'll educate you, don't worry. Then I used to think about my brothers and my sisters. I have 2 brothers, 1 sister. And if he sells the house and spends the total money on me, then what about my brothers and sisters? How is going to educate them? So selling the house for my sake is not good. Then I just thought it up, and then I told my father, no, I don't want to go to Karnataka. Then only I got the teacher training professional seat in West Godavari, Bhimar. By the time I wrote B.Ed entrance also. I wrote answer entrance, like that B.Ed entrance also I wrote. God's plan is what means me to become a teacher. As I thought in 8th standard, like that God wants me to be a teacher, like that B.Ed seat also I got in Bhimar. Then I went and told my father very boldly, I will go up to teacher training Bhimar. Like that. No, wait 1 more year, you go for long term for medicine, they told. But I was not interested much. Then I will go to teacher training. Well, I thought and I went on. And like that, 9 months I went West Godavari, Bhimavaram there. 9 months I did my B.Ed. And 9 months time I was not only studying, but I was given so many responsibilities. One is biological department representative, they elected me. And when I was doing the work for the biology department, work means we used to have teaching practice in different schools. College was there somewhere outskirts of the Bhimavaram. Bhimavaram is not a city, but it is a big village that time. Some 30 years back, 1991 and 92, my year, 20 years back almost. So like that, the schools were in somewhere in the city place. Then I used to carry all the models, whatever does the laboratories, no transport, rickshaw only. Like that, I used to do the representative work. And when I was doing that biology representative work, one day suddenly my education department madam called us, 2 madam. One is perspective English madam, and another one is psychology madam. I remember the names like Nastri and Prasanna Kumari. They both of them were very frightened of the psychology madam actually. Why they called me, I don't know. Then I went in, Purnima, they laughed loudly, you are a biology representative, you are doing an experiment. Now they want you to work as the education department representative outside Islam. 2 departments working is difficult only, but when the professors are asking us, means we can't say no. So out of fear or something, out of respect, I said okay. And like that 2 departments I was handling. At the same time, night till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, because no, I was in the hostel. Nobody will be there to help us. All the students are there, they have to work with themselves, they have tried their projects for themselves. So 1 o'clock night, midnight, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock also, I used to wake up and sit and write the projects, do the models. My project was DNA, I taught you all. DNA model structure, that is double helical structure. That 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, with that handy light I used to do. And like that hard work I did that 9 months. And after the 9 months course, exams over, I came out prior to Vizag. And after 1 month, we got the result, and Like that, 1 month after the result, I got first. In those days, no internet or no. So the paper only we used to get the result. So my number was in the first class number. Sorry, first class very few numbers are there. But my father was not happy. Not first class, I got medal like that. He used to shout at me, insult me. And I used to pray God. And like that, one day he shouted at me, and one day I went off for the fasting prayer. And next day when I came back, from the Vienna class, then my mother said something you have got this. Then my mother gave me one big retreat card, like an invitation card. That's my marriage card, very grand card. But when I saw the back address, what is that? That is from Devangaram, our college, GTP College of Education, Parvaman, the name is GTP College means from Anna Batula, Tulasama, Kadapata College, Parvaman of Education. So from there when I saw the card, I really thank God because that card will be sent, that is invitation card, that will be sent only to the students who are toppers of the school. So when I got, maybe God gave me at least one gold medal, I was very happy. Then afterwards only I opened the one and I saw, it is like congratulations dear Subhadra Purnima, we have been selected for 3 meritorious gold medals. And like that, they gave things for college toppers, biological research topper, psychology topper, like that, and they gave. I went and I came back. I took all the medals. I was very happy. And afterwards, when I came back immediately, one of my friends told we can go and join the school, the post is vacant biology teacher. So the school is near Ramnagar, All Saints Convent. Very nice school. That time my first salary was 750 rupees. It's not the salary, I never thought of the salary, but my desire is what, means my wish is what, my passion, in other words. It is only to teach biology in a nice way. The children must be, because biology is very difficult, the child must not think. So I used to come down in the stage of the child, and I used to, in that place, if can I understand if I go very fast, or if I use very hard vocabulary or strong vocabulary. Like that I used to think, and like that I used to come down the stage of that child, 6th class or 5th class, 4th class, like that. And I used to teach them, and when they get good marks, I'll be very happy. If they get less marks, I'll be very sad. Like that, I just did some 93 to 96, I was working there only in nonsense department. After that, I got a call from the contact school principal, like this one, vacancy post there, unit teachers vacancy post there. Then I told vacancy post 3 months afterwards that school will not take me. Once we go, we have to leave it forever. Then I told father, then it's okay, any permanent. Then again he called me 1997. He called me again for the permanent post for textbook. Then I was taken the demonstration class for 3rd standard, and that principal, Father Joy, he gave me the 1st standard because some other teacher was waiting for the promotion or something. Then the father gave me 1st standard. Actually, 1st standard when he gave me, I was completely taught. My mind became blank. Why? Because I went for the preaching practice for 8th, 9th, 10th classes. That was weird. Suddenly, father told me to take 1st standard. Means 1st standard children, small children, they don't know even writing. Also, we have to teach them writing 4-line book and all. How it is possible? Because I'm not trained to such kind of students. But then also I was depending on God. And like that, I started my career in Patak School. August 9th onwards, I joined 1997. And like that, first year little bit. Then afterwards, 8 years I was working in Vasana Chirandi. Excellent time and the best time of my career, I can tell you, in primary school. Then afterwards, after 8 years, father gave me promotion to 2nd standard. And from 2nd standard, father gave me promotion to 4th standard. By the time other principal came, Father Jerry Ruiz. And he also, when I was working under him. And from 4th I went to 6th, from 6th I went to 7th, 7th standard, Father Joseph Perry was there. And Joseph Perry father gave me promotion directly to 9th standard. Everywhere I used to take English and biology, my subjects were English and biology. And 9th standard, when I was there, then Father Joachim, after George Alapat, Father Joachim came and he gave me the promotion standard. Like that I started taking almost every class biology, only both SSC and ISSC. And today I'm like this, almost my 25 years I completed my Patak for teaching journey. This is 26th year I'm playing now. And one more thing is what means I got many offers from different engineering subjects, many different colleges. I got an offer. College people directly used to call me to the principal only. And principal used to call the George Albert father. Teacher, are you leaving the school? Like that, yeah. I said, never father, I will not leave the school. My aim is only three small children. College and all, no, I don't have that time. Salary is not there. That time only they used to tell me 26,000 those years on. Now almost it will be more. Money is not the matter. Money God will give any time. I must have job satisfaction, the work satisfaction as well. I will be in Kota school, university level also. The professors, I did my, after BSc and after BEd, then I did my MSc in Andhra University. That time father gave me permission for the course. After MSc, I did MA English also, MSc Zoology I did, and MA English I did. Even though I had qualification, I was not having any interest to go to the college or to go to university. My aim is only to be in the school with the children, small children like that. And this is the place where we can teach the moral instructions. In colleges and all, nobody will teach moral sense, how to develop the personality, how to build up the character, how to have good conduct, good values. All this will be taught only in the school. Even though I am a biology teacher, I like to teach moral science. That 20-25 minutes, if I take biology also, remaining 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I used to teach biology in every batch. Especially, I used to concentrate more on 10th standard students because they are outgoing students. Afterwards, they will not have such kind of instruction to them. They are young children, delicate age and adolescent age. So I used to stress more on this, like that I used to guide them, and like that my life is going. And today it is 25 years I completed, 26 this year is done and 20 years started. And
because of you only, you all learned moral values and so on.
Even you were there 2018. Yeah. I used to come to ISIS. I know.
So you said that you are passionate towards teaching.
Yeah.
In your opinion, passionate and career is you can balance both.
Sports also. I used to play throwball. I'm a throwball player in the school only. We used to play for inter-schools also, throwball and all. Now also I am playing throwball and also I like to play this chess also. Those is no indoor games in school, but we used to play the chess also. Sports I'm interested.
Means the career and the passion you can balance both.
Yeah. Not much involved in the sports, but a little bit only in the PT period sometimes, or on the course sometimes we can do the stage, I can used to play there. But maximum on the educational I used to concentrate. Because my father is very strict, 45 and 50 I get also, he beat me. And I marks, why did you do like that? After I became fear, I never used to spend much time there. But I like sports and all. Now also I like children. Sports is good, curricular activities. Exercise was good. That view will be different from each one of the people. Everyone will not have that kind of. But I don't say that money is not important. Money is important because to be the livelihood and all. Coming to my sake only, this is only for teaching is a passion. I never used to ask about salaries, about this increment. I never feel today I want to take care of the salary also. But actually, for that money purpose only, no, everyone are working today. So each one will have different opinions, but I don't say that everyone must have the passion only. Money is not the problem. I can't. Everyone must have the things. Definitely, we are working hard only to earn some bread. Livelihood we have to live, but that money is important. And personally, to me, I never used to focus on that one. God is my provider. I used to think like that. I do stuff.
Thank you.
You know,